Yo, what's up with y'all? Sorry about my voice. I'm like sick as heck, so my fault. But make sure y'all subscribe and like for more. Today's story time, I'm be telling y'all how I made a song in class to my ex in school. She goes to the school too. I made the song for my ex in school, and how this almost won her back. No, I'm gonna just say how it won. No, I didn't mean to curse. Damn it! I just won her back. So one day, I was just mad, like sad and shit. So I was like, nah, bro, I low key want my ex back. You feel me? So I was like, alright, let me go make this song real quick for her. I said some joking funny shit in class, and gonna be hilarious, feel me? That would have won her back, a love song. So I write it, and when I finished making like the one verse, mad people, everyone laughed at me. They're like, bro, you're a clown ball. Like, I'm gonna show you the song too after this. I'm gonna show you the song just so y'all know I'm not like bull. Everyone was laughing at me and doubting me, but then I finished the song mid class. Before the day ended, I'm pretty sure it was like 5th, 6th period. I had global. I finished the song, and I had showed her that same day, and she was like, yo, bro, I did not win her back, bro. She slapped me. First of all, she slapped me like an actual slap, like boom. He said, go to hell. I hate you, Justin. And stormed off, bro. Even though I had poured my heart out to this song for her to win her back. And after doing all that, she's gonna slap me and run off, bro. What? Yo, y'all gotta hear this song. Because I'm telling you right now, this song is crazy. It's not the Deepwoken. Actually, F it. It's the Deepwoken girl. Yeah, it's the Deepwoken. I made this song for the Deepwoken girl, bro. Her name is Shakira. And that happened, bro. So let me show y'all the song now. It's just a short story time. It's short story time. But let me show y'all the song. Hold on a minute. I'm playing right now, yo. Y'all let me know if it's good or not in the comments. Let me know if it's good, bro. Let me know.
He's been saying
Wow. Whoa. Yakira, yeah. I'm so much I cannot lie to you. Fucking bitches, I can't lie to you. Yeah, I know I cheated 10 times. Yeah, I know I fucked on your mom. Please let me fuck on your mom. She was so bad, she was so bad, she a dom. I just wanna on your mom. Nah, I was joking, bro. I don't wanna do those things. I was joking, ho. But I can't even lie when I see you other guys that get me on my mom. I be like, why you talking to niggas? Ain't you gay? I thought you was kissing girls in the bathroom. Your ass made you a munch and you can't even go back. Like you can even throw back. Like you can even shake ass. So why you trying to throw back? You trying to go back to your ex, but you can't though. Cause he got herpes. He a lame hoe. He a man hoe. But with herpes, why you fucking with that guy? He got herpes. But back to us though, even though you chop, I know I still fuck, cause I like chop bitches. I like ugly bitches with a fat ass. You got a fat ass, so give me your ass. When he told me all your secrets, I was so shocked cause I couldn't believe it. But I was like, damn, you still bad though. I still fuck though, so give me your butthole. I'm not gay though, I don't like it that way, so don't play ho. Stop playing with my feelings, I don't like those. I know I cheated 10 times. It's alright though, but it's alright ho. Cause we can cheat together, we could link together, we could do everything, we could F together.